Lavender, the floral essence in cuisine. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that bridges the world of flora and gastronomy. Lavender in cuisine. This beautiful, fragrant herb is not just for gardens or essential oils. It has found its unique place in kitchens around the world. Let's explore how this aromatic plant can transform dishes with its distinctive flavor and fragrance. Lavender is a member of the mint family, known for its vibrant purple flowers and soothing scent. It's not only beloved by gardeners and perfume makers but also by chefs and food enthusiasts. Culinary lavender refers to specific varieties that are best suited for cooking, known for their milder, sweeter flavor profiles compared to the more commonly known aromatic types used in non-food products. The use of lavender in cooking is not a modern innovation. It has historical roots in Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, and Indian cuisines, dating back thousands of years. Lavender was used to season and preserve meats, flavor desserts, and even in wine and spirits. Its usage reflects a time when herbs were integral to both the diet and medicine. In the culinary world, lavender is prized for its ability to add a unique floral note to both sweet and savory dishes. Here are some common ways lavender is used in cooking. Desserts and baked goods. Lavender is often infused into sugar or syrups to create aromatic desserts, such as cakes, cookies, and ice creams. Savory dishes. Dried lavender flowers can be used as part of a herb mixture to season meats, stews, and sauces. Beverages. Lavender adds a floral twist to teas, lemonades, and cocktails. Infusions. Oils and vinegars can be infused with lavender to create flavorful dressings and marinades. It's important to use lavender sparingly due to its potent flavor. A little goes a long way. Lavender is not just a feast for the senses. It also offers health benefits. It's known for its calming properties, which can aid in relaxation and sleep. Additionally, lavender has been credited with anti-inflammatory and antiseptic qualities. However, it's crucial to ensure that the lavender used in cooking is culinary grade, as ornamental varieties may have been treated with pesticides or other chemicals not suitable for consumption. Incorporating lavender into your cooking can elevate your dishes with its unique aroma and flavor, adding an element of surprise and delight. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a curious foodie, experimenting with lavender opens up a world of culinary possibilities. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the use of lavender in your kitchen. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.